Organizers of the largest health fair in this area say the impact of COVID-19 on communities of color makes their mission even more important this year. Latrice Curry explains in her Eye on Health report.
After nearly 20 years of working to end healthcare disparities and educate those at highest risk for illness and disease, the Minority Health Fair is going virtual. This is what comes to mind when you think about the Minority Health Fair.
For 19 years, we've been doing this with the purpose of educating and addressing health conditions and putting it in a format that allows us to come and feel at ease, participate in all the screenings and feel relaxed in checking and finding out different things about themselves.
Salmon says, as we've seen with COVID-19 and so many other conditions, the lack of access and coverage play a major role in the healthcare disparities we see in so many communities of color, which is why events like the health fair are so important when it comes to educating the public, in some cases, even saving lives.
For people of color who are low to moderate income, or just people of color in general, not having access to medical assistance, insurance, and so when we're in a pandemic such as this, it impacts us even more so.
Salmon says it's important for people to continue taking advantage of the free coronavirus testing.
Phenomenal to see the number of citizens who are coming out to participate and be screened to know if indeed that they are negative or positive to COVID.
This year's virtual health fair will be different.
And basically, we're going to take it from the having it more focused on education. We're going to have a few topics that we'll have professionals who will be providing information, and in between that we'll have some question and answer.
The event will be streamed on Facebook Live.
That will give individuals the opportunity to also put in chat comments and things, and we'll try our very best to bring a response to all the questions that they have.
And what about those vendors who are such a big part of the Minority Health Fair?
We're going to put a code that will be synonymous to each of those vendors, and those who are registered and participating in this can put their phones, any type of smartphone, to that code on the screen and be able to take them directly to that vendor's site.